to another tutorial. First things first, come into here, app.js, get rid of these curly braces, don't want those, save. Okay, next thing, Command Shift P, you want to go npm install Redux Thunk. I've already done it, so once you've done that, come back to here, come into your index.js. Okay, first thing, you want to import, apply middleware, import Thunk from Redux Thunk, which is downloaded, and then here, create store, you want to add this, apply middleware Thunk. That's all done here. Close this one. Okay, then you want to create this post action. So you want to go to store, control click if you're on a Mac, new folder, actions, control click again, new file, post actions.js. Come in here, we're going to create this function, create post, which takes in the post, which will be our state. That'll make sense in a second. Okay, as I was saying, this is a dispatch. So in this dispatch, we can pause it, do the stuff from the database, come back, do it all in here, and then do this dispatch, put the database data in here if we need to. We're not doing that in this lesson, though maybe in the future, will be in the future. So get all this done. This is syntax we use here for type. Next, you want to come to, see, this is the reducer. So that action goes to the reducer, matches here, creates post, which is console.log, post created, with the action.post, which is a state from another thing. I'll explain that now. So come in and write post, up the top, import connect from React Redux. That's the glue between React and Redux. Import create post, which is just made here, from here. Okay, so you can put this in now or do it later. Come down here, remember connect, it's a glue between React and Redux, so you want to add that into your export. This null here is normally map state to props, but we're not using it now, so you got to put this in or you get an error. Then you go map dispatch to props, which is this here, map dispatch to props, which returns this send post, which is a function that calls this, which gets sent to the reducer, which logs this. So back to here, send post. So we've put that to the props now, so we can call it up here. So this dot props dot send post with this dot state. So we'll extend the state here, which is created from this here. So you get that. So we'll take the state, so this dot props dot send post with the state up here. We'll come down here, call this. It gets the post, which is the state. Where's my thingy? Dispatch. Okay, so it calls that, which calls this dispatch. Create post with the post. Comes here. Calls this here. This gets sent to the post reducer, which matches it here, matches create post. This is the switch case, so it will come through the action.type will be this create post. Sorry. Action.type is create post, so it'll come to here. It'll match. It'll go through it, through the switch case, match it here, and call this, and then return the state. Okay, so go through it one last time. You fill out the form, click submit, which will call this handle submit. That will call this dot props dot send post. That's in the props because we've matched it here. So we'll call this, which calls create post with the post. So that post comes to here. This gets sent to the post reducer, and then it gets matched here at the post reducer, which calls this console.log. Okay, it's very confusing, I know, but you'll get used to it if you go through it a few more times. See you in the next lesson. We'll continue on